Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am Jincy James, coming at you with a brand new simple DIY mask. If you like this video, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so that you are notified every single time I post a new video. The best part about these masks is that you don't have to repurchase these things, and these are reusable, meaning that all you have to do is wear it once and wash it once before you wear them again. Simple. Now let's learn how to make these puppies. Let's go. Alright, so essentially we have made 3 masks. 1, 2, and 3. One is with an elastic band, one is with this cloth material, and the other one is also of the same material, which is a cloth material. So an important note that I have here is that it's all made of cotton cloth, and they're double filtered, I think that's what we call it, because there are 2 layers to it. So there are 2 layers, and they're super easy to make and super fun to make with your family. I made this with my mom. We made all these 3 so far. It was a really good Friday afternoon activity. First things first, you need to find a cotton shirt or a cotton piece of cloth. Here I'm using my dad's old shirt that he doesn't use anymore, so I thought I'll just make masks out of these. So I'm going to iron this before I move any further, because you need a really clean and plain canvas before you can progress. Switch this off. So I have this lid and it's really big, so I'm just going to place this lid here and use a pen or anything like a marker. You can use anything you have, and you want to just roughly sketch a circle. The circle is drawn now, and it's a rough circle, nothing perfect. Make sure you draw it on the inside of the shirt and not on the good side of the shirt, like I can see. Now what you need to do is cut those circles out. As you can see, I've cut 2 for 2 different masks. Anyway, we're going to focus on the checkered one for now. So now that your circle is ready, you want to fold it in half first and then iron this out, and make sure that you iron it properly so that it's again creaseless and super smooth. Next, you want to fold it again in half and then again smoothen it out with an iron. After this step, you're going to want to open this and then cut it across and again across like that. So half and half. So now we're going to cut this across. Perfect. Now we want to close this like that. Cut it like that. Set that aside. You do the same on this. Now what you need to do is stitch them. So I'm going to take the first one, which is this. You want to stitch this section here, and you want to do the same thing on all 4 pieces. So you're going to stitch here, the same on this and on this. You stitch on the curved section. So we're going to stitch and show you a quick little time lapse right here. Now moving on to section 2 of this mask, you have this, which is the section that you have stitched. You're going to lay that down flat like that, and you're going to do the same here. So you have the stitched part here, and you're going to lay that on top like this. So to recap, just keep in mind that both sections are going to be the sections that are stitched. So that's stitched here and it's stitched here. Level that up, line that. Okay, cool. So this is the rough image that it's going to be at. So now we're going to stitch all the parts except for one part. You're going to leave a slight gap here. So I'm just going to mark that up right now. So it's going to be here, and about the same on this side. Now we are going to stitch all the 4 sides barring this gap here. So we're going to stitch and be right back. So now that you have your mask all stitched on all 4 sides, what you want to do is through this hole, you just want to start pulling so that it reveals the other side. Like that, you want to pull it. Pull this. Yeah, ta-da! And your mask is, I would say, about 90% done. Right, so next step is to add the ears, the strings that will go around your ears. So we're going to do that now. Before that, you want to again iron this baby so that it's really stiff and it holds its shape. I'm going to take my trusty little iron box. I'm going to fold it, give it a nice press like that, especially where you have stitched so that it holds its shape. Then what I'm going to do is hold it like that and then give it a little iron. The same to the other side, keep it like that, and you want to iron it out. So now it's ironed and looks really good. Now you're going to add the ears. So we have cut about 2 equal sizes of strings, 2 strings of equal sizes. That's how you say it. Jincy, English, come on. And now we're going to attach that to our previously made mask. So you want to keep a piece in, right? So this is basically the strand. So you're going to put that in first on the inside of the mask and fold it once. And you're going to stitch. Where are you going to stitch?
Yeah.
On the outside. Right, so now we're going to repeat the same thing on this side. So that's the side with the opening. And you're going to put this like that. And again, fold it inwards once. Yeah. So you need to be able to pull this. So it should be loose enough. Yeah, like that. You should be able to do that. We are going to do the little stitching. Again, repeat. We're going to put this on like that. So essentially it's ready already. So you're going to hold it like that and put this above like that. Take the string underneath and you're going to hold it as tight as you want it to be. So I like it to be this tight. So then I'm going to hold it. So this is measured already. And I'm going to take that out. Oops. And then we're going to stitch it right here because that's the size that I require. So we're going to stitch that and I'll show you the next step. Alright, so we're done stitching one section. We'll be trimming this off later, but for now, just to finish the entire look, I'm going to wear this, try this on, just to make sure that it's right for my face. Alrighty. And then I'm going to put it on my face like that. So it seems to be the perfect size. It's all great. Now we're going to want to do the same thing on the other side. So I've removed my earring this time. We're going to remove that. And again, stitch it. And then your mask is ready. Alright, so we're done stitching. So my ears are ready. So I'm going to cut off the excess. The same on the other side. Now, the reason I asked you to make sure that there's mobility here is because you're going to put this section inside. So you're going to push that, pull that in, and then you only have the good side. So you're going to do the same onto the other side. This is the stitched side, as you can see. I'm going to pull that out like that, and oops, and that's going to go on the inside. Okay, so let's try the mask on. I guess that's the only thing left to do. So first thing you want to do is put your ear in. Make sure your entire ear is out and that it's tight. So tug on it a little bit. Wear it on your face like that. Ooh. And then the same thing on the other side. And that's it. That's how you make your mask. So it's covered on the sides, the bottom, on the top, and it's super tight here. That's it. It's also easy to do this, just saying, if you want to. And I hope you guys try this. If you do, let me know. Tag me on Instagram, and that's it. Bye.